Okay, now I would like to explain about inverse hybrid parameters or G parameters and cascaded connection of two-port networks. So inverse hybrid parameter case, the independent variables are V1, I2 and I1, V2 are dependent variables. The two-port network equations of G parameters are I1 equals to G11 V1 plus G12 I2, V2 equals to G21 V1 plus G22 I2. Here G11, G12, G21 and G22 are called inverse hybrid parameters or G parameters. In matrix form representation, it can be written as I1 V2 matrix equals to G11, G12, G21, G22 matrix into V1 I2 matrix. Okay, here G11, G12, G21 and G22 are known as inverse hybrid parameters or G parameters. So the G parameters are defined by follows by using equations 10.9 and 10.10. So here to find G11 and G21, so we have to set I2 value equals to 0. So I2 means second port current. So second port current equals to 0 when second port is open. So by opening second port we can find G11 and G21. So similarly to find G12 and G22 we have to set V1 equals to 0. So V1 means first port voltage. So to set first port voltage equals to 0, so we have to short circuit the first port. So it means by opening second port we can find G11 and G21, and by short circuiting first port we can find G12 and G22. So first one, set I2 equals to 0. That is output port is open circuit or second port is open circuit. If I2 equals to 0, so equation 10.1 becomes I1 equals to G11 V1, G11 equals to I1 by V1. So current by voltage at I2 equals to 0. So current by voltage. So it is called admittance at open circuit condition. So it is called as open circuit input admittance. Here I1, V1 are input parameters. So similarly substitute I2 equals to 0 in 10.10 equation. So this equation becomes V2 equals to G21 V1, G21 equals to V2 by V1. So it is called open circuit forward voltage gain. So next set V1 equals to 0 and substitute in equation 1 and 2. So we get G12 equals to I1 by I2 at V1 equals to 0. So it is called short circuit reverse current gain. G22 equals to V2 by I2 at V1 equals to 0. It is called short circuit output impedance. So I2 by I1 is called current gain, forward current gain. Here I1 by I2 is there, so it is called reverse current gain. So V2 by I2. So V2 output voltage, I2 output current. So IV1 equals to 0. So it is short circuit condition. So it is called as short circuit output admittance. So from the definitions of G parameters, it is seen that so G11 has the dimensions of admittance, G21 and G12 are gains, so which are dimensionless parameters, and G22 has dimensions of impedance. So G11 units are mohs, G21, G12 having no units, G22 having units ohms. So this is the equivalent circuit. So in terms of G parameters. So next one, the cascaded connection of two-port networks. So the cascaded connection is also called as tandem connection. So consider two networks N dash and N double dash are connected in cascade as shown in figure. Okay, here this connection is called cascade connection. Here, so first port output is connected to second port input. So this type of connection is called cascaded connection. So when two ports are connected in cascade, we can multiply their individual transmission parameters or ABCD parameters to get overall transmission parameters of the cascade connection. So if you want to find this total network, two-port network parameters, so first we separately, individually, we have to find ABCD parameters of the networks. So first here N dash network, we have to determine ABCD parameters. Next N double dash network, ABCD parameters we have to determine. Then by multiplying these two ABCD matrices, we can find this total matrix ABCD parameters. So let the transmission parameters of the first network, that is N dash network, is A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. So let the transmission parameters of the network N double dash, A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash. and overall transmission parameters of the network equals to A comma B comma C comma D. So here the voltage current relations. Here first one, total network, first put voltage equals to V1, second put voltage equals to V2, first put current equals to I1, second put current equals to I2. This is total equivalent network voltage currents. So next one, N dash network, voltage equals to, first put voltage equals to V1 dash, first put current equals to I1 dash, second put voltage equals to V2 dash, second put current equals to I2 dash. So next one, second network. So second network, first put voltage V1 double dash, first put current I1 double dash, second put voltage V2 double dash, second put current I2 double dash. So by using this circuit we can write the relations of voltage and currents. So here V1 equals to V1 dash, V1 equals to V1 dash, V2 dash equals to V1 double dash. Next one, V2 double dash equals to V2. These three voltage relations. So next current relations, I1 equals to I1 dash, I1 double dash equals to minus I2 dash. So next I2 equals to minus I2 double dash. So these are voltage and current relations. So next for N dash network, the transmission parameter equations. So first network equations, V1 dash equals to A dash into V2 dash plus B dash into minus I2 dash, I1 dash equals to C dash into V2 dash plus D dash into minus E2 dash. So similarly for second network, N double dash network equations, V1 double dash, I1 double dash. So the overall transmission parameters of the cascade connection can be written as V1 I1, V1 I1. So we know that V1 I1 equals to V1 equals to V1 dash, I1 equals to I1 dash. So V1 I1 equals to V1 dash into I1 dash matrix, it equals to A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, V2 dash into minus I2 dash. Here in place of V2 dash and I2 dash minus I2 dash, so we can write V1 double dash. So next one, I1 double dash. So V1 double dash, I1 double dash. So it equals to A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So next V1 double dash, I1 double dash. So matrix equals to A double dash into A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash matrix into, so V2 double dash minus I2 double dash. So from the voltage current relations, we know that V2 double dash equals to V2 minus I2 double dash equals to minus I2. So this matrix become, you can write like this. So finally V1 I1 equals to ABCD matrix into V2 into minus I2. So it means ABCD matrix equals to A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash matrix into A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash matrix. Okay, total network resultant ABCD matrix. So first network ABCD matrix into second network ABCD matrix. Hence the transmission parameters for the cascaded two-port network is simply the matrix product of the transmission parameter matrix of each individual two-port network in cascade connection. So first we have to, if we want to determine the total network two-port network parameters, so first we have to find individual network ABCD parameters by multiplying ABCD parameter matrix, the total network ABCD parameters we can determine.